This, sorry for that. A lot, huh? Miss me, huh? All right. Okay, so thanks for waiting. Call got extended, and yeah, cool. So I think half. Okay, so what I thought is like today to talk about VPC, but I don't think so that I can take it up. So let's have a normal discussion. What do you say? Or I have a request. Should I? Okay. Um, yeah, by the way, so guys, as we have only how many days left? So probably, most probably 3 days left. So how was the classes? How was the classes? How was the classes went? And did you learn really nice things? I understand you say you will say super. Thanks for that. It's very nice and very interactive. Okay, explanation is superb. So yeah, my request here is for you guys. Sorry, please don't take this as like time pass or something, because it's good to have as normal discussion, because we'll have only 3 days left. Uh, what I can do here is, guys, nice to teach you guys. My request for you is, guys, you understood. I can completely understand when you are joining, you are finding a right trainer, and those who can, that guy can, who can make you understand, make you do all kind of practicals, make you more understand on interview point of view, certification point of view, and all. I hope that you got all these things. And there is a page, you already know this, called Ria's AWS trainer. Do you know this page? Yeah. What I want from you is, guys, to post your wonderful feedbacks that you have posted already here. So yeah, most of the people are already here with me on the page, but those who are not there yet on the page, please send me a request to me, a Facebook request, and put a message that, sir, I'm your 6:30 p.m. batch, so that I don't want other guys to be in my page. So guys, would you, when you tell the Linux, it's not me, Venkatesh. It's not me. You have a separate Linux classes, which is free for you. Okay, guys. So my only request for you is, as you have enjoyed and learned a lot from here, would you like to post your feedbacks over here on the page, so that these feedbacks will help the upcoming students in my AWS knowledge. Great. So I hope so. Uh, can I expect your feedbacks today, as we already have a time, or tomorrow, today? The only thing, what the main things that what I get is like, when we reach this last few days, couple of days, people are really busy, and they will forget to write the uh, write the feedback over here. So what I would like you to do is please put your feedbacks today, so that it will be really helpful. Yeah. And another important thing is, do you remember that I told you that I'll be giving you practice papers also? Yes. Okay. So for that, there is a site called WizLabs. What is that? WizLabs. So WizLab CEO is my friend. So this is a WizLab site where you will get, guys, you will get so many courses. It's throughout. So for cloud computing, you have AWS, Azure, whatnot, and DevOps, cybersecurity, etc., etc., etc. There's so many uh, things here. Okay, as we are interested in AWS, you see that these are all the courses included related to the AWS. And guys, how many of you here are interested in writing the certification? Three, four, five, six. Most of the people here, most of the people, because I would really recommend to have this certification, because you've already learned so much of thing from me. So it just need why to waste it, guys. Come on, you can easily do the certification. So concentrate on AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. You click on that. You click on that. See, do you see that now? It is 2,000 rupees. It is 2,000 rupees, but they are giving it for 500 rupees only. Okay, guys. Okay. When will be our last class? I'll tell you. So most probably on Wednesday. Most probably on Wednesday or Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, mostly. Yeah. So guys, here, please concentrate here. So here we have 500. So if you click on add to cart, click on add to cart, it's added, go to the cart. And guys, if you practice these papers, guys, if you practice these papers, you will have almost, okay, I'll go back here and no more. If you click on no more, guys, you will have only 7 practice test papers. How many? Guys, 7 practice test papers. Hold on, Arya, hold on. So 7 practice test papers. If you do only 65 questions, guys, if you do all these things, you can take n number of times, and then if you can take n number of times these practice papers. Make sure that you will get 65 out of 65 all the time in all practice papers, and I bet our classes, our knowledge that the knowledge that I've shared, our practicals, and these questions, these are test papers where you can get it on scenario based, and it is a simulation of your certification exam. If you clear all these things, do multiple times, take 10 days or 1 week time, and do all this practice, and then definitely you can easily pass your certification for sure. For sure. And go to the cart, and you have already added to the cart. And guys, yes, answers will be there, explanation will be there also. I'll tell you a little bit more. But I wanted to, guys, you are giving me a back gift by giving the nice feedbacks, and let me give you also a gift for you guys here. So the gift from me here for you is, you don't need to even pay this 500 rupees. Just put WizRia's promo code and click on apply, and you will get it bloody for 150 rupees, and that is lifetime access. This includes your practice papers, and also you can do the labs. You no need to do it on your own account. You can do it the labs also here. And this is a small gift from me, guys. And I'll give you another gift. That is, this is not only for the solution architect certification, this goes for your entire courses. And validity is lifelong. So you can, after taking this certification, your AWS certification is valid for only for 3 years. After 3 years, you no need to come back to me for the next training again, because after 3 years, you need to write the certification again. You no need to come to me, go to Wiz Labs and redo those 7 test papers again. And you will be, you write the again AWS certification, and you will be passed again. And also, once you do Solution Architect Associate, go for CSOP and do the practice papers. Most of the things that we have covered, but definitely, AWS is, there's so much of things there. And if you can easily find the explanation there, and whatever the basics that you need, you got it already from me on the AWS side. And you can easily do the certification, is the practice papers again and again, and you can pass even solution and developer also. And here also, and this CSOP Administrator Associates is 899, right? Let's add to cart and let's see how much we get that. Oh. And guys, I'll remove this and I'll put Wiz Riaz. Write down this Wiz Riaz and click on apply. Oh, you will get it for 269 rupees only. So this is for lifetime validity, and you can use it. But my only one request here is, guys, please don't make this promo code visible to public. So this is the only gift for my students. You can give it to your immediate friends, I don't mind. But the thing is, the Wiz Labs guy, CEO, he's Mr. Krishna. He has a very good faith, a very good trust on me, right? He's giving only for my students, not for everyone, guys. So please consider that request and don't make it public and don't give it to others. Immediate friends are okay. Yep. Are you happy with my gift? Nice. Nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, and it's enough to crack SSS certification. As I said, Geeta, it is more than enough to crack this SSS certification. Guys, even you don't need practice papers. The only thing is here, our sessions are more than enough. But you need to have a feel of how the questions will be asked and the scenario-based questions, right? So that's the reason why you have to go and do the practice papers. Guys, remember, there you might get something new also. Don't worry. Just read the explanation. You will understand. Okay. So will you give me a written gift to me with your feedbacks, guys? That is the only thing that I can expect from you. I'll be expecting from you. And today night, my eyes will be here. So people are sending already. So, okay. Okay. So my eyes are here already all the time in every minutes. And so I'm very excited to see your feedbacks, guys. Please do. Cool. And this is not the last session. So we still have a session. So what do you say? Should we drop tomorrow and let's freshly meet on Monday? What do you think? With that, we can extend one more day. Na? Yeah, I agree with you. So I agree with you. So what we do is let's drop for tomorrow, Saturday. I don't mind. So let's meet on Monday. Monday, we'll have a VPC and then some leftover topics here. And then we'll do the practicals here. I think Wednesday would be the mostly the last. Yeah. Do you have any questions? We need interview tips and questions. There is no separate interview questions, guys. Whatever the paint, guys, come on. So whatever the things that we have discussed, just put AWS interview questions. Let's have some fun. So let's go here and see. Okay. So you just go through this and you can easily, what is the relation between availability zone and region? Don't you know this? What is auto scaling? Don't you know this? What is, okay, so these cloud formations are for developers, and upgrade near downtime, how we do all these things, and AWS cost allocation tax, put CLI, Linux, all these things, we know it. And then cloud trails, and this is for Route 53, CloudFront, ELB, VPC. This is web application firewall for security purpose, and virtualization, hardware parameterization, HVM that we have discussed, architectures. I am not. Hey, do you remember? Do you remember that we discussed which are the services are region or not region? Okay, go through that, you'll understand better. So interview questions are easy too, guys. Come on. So what is the difference between stopping and terminating? What is the different types of EC2 instances based on their cost, on demand, spot, reserve? Didn't we discuss all these things? Putty, right? And then CloudWatch, AMIs in S3. Guys, come on. These are silly for me. So please go ahead and then you will get it. And can you please provide the number if you want to talk with you? Number is not allowed, guys. So exam pattern, Ram, definitely. If you go for WizLabs, that's the same pattern, you will get it. No negative marks, and I 2.5 hours time, I think, and some 70 questions, 60 or 70. And it's all multiple choice questions. When you available, sir, if we need any help on AWS in future, I will be available on my email. So definitely I'll be in contact with you. Guys, remember, okay, I'll come to that point. So question, is it enough to get a job as fresher, or do I need to learn something else? Hey, Sai Krupa, if you are a fresher, AWS is already too much. So that's good. But the only thing is, please make sure that you clear that nasty written test and all. If you do that, then it's too good. We can find Linux commands. Linux commands, Arya, guys, didn't you had time? Yeah. So Linux classes is free, so you can just tell that I'm Ria sir students, I need to attend Linux. I think Arya, there is 4 p.m. Linux will start soon. You can attend that classes for free. If you fail, second chance will be there. There is no concept of failing for Ria sir students. Can you provide any projects on that? Guys, see, if I'll show you, I'll send you few roles and responsibilities on the last day, but projects, just think that if I give any project, I have sent thousands of students in the market, and if they use the same project, every interviewer will think that this guy is real students only. Peg guy, right? So that's the reason why I don't provide. But yeah, understand that, please. So yeah. Any more questions? Suppose we fail in the exam, it's a second time for exam. Why you are talking about failing a concept? Okay, you can do it, but you need to you need to pay half of the money, I think. And guys, remember, you will get a discount also when you write the first exam, 50% discount for the next exam. How many marks we need to score? I think 70%. Definitely will pass. Yeah, come on. Yeah, definitely will pass. How much will require the exam? What is that? How much money? I think it is $150 with GST, $170, almost 13,000 rupees, I think, for the certification. Yeah. Guys, we have time, so not necessary technical. You can ask any questions if it is okay. Your words really make me go, nice, Geeta. Yeah, nice. Good to know that. Which company do you work for? I work at a company where it's a European company. I don't have company in India. I work to them. I was in Europe, you know very well. I was in Europe for many years. I came back and I'm working to them remotely. And also, if everything goes smooth and God bless, I'm starting up a new company also here in Hyderabad. Yeah, it's already in place. I have not shared to anyone, to any batches, but yeah, I'm the managing director and vice president on cloud. So definitely, I already have 10 employees at the moment, and I have a requirement of Python guy, and I have a requirement of AWS plus DevOps guy. So if you are good in scripting a bit, and then you are good in AWS, get certified and learn AWS and send me resume, guys. I'm there for you. If at all I have a requirement. How to get experience certificate? I should not talk about that, Ram, here. Uh, this batch is special for you, sir. Of course, yeah, I think so. Because I have shared my. Please pray God, and need your blessings too. If you are elder than me, yeah. Looks like you are elder than me, huh? All the best. You are a very genuine person. Thank you, Ravindraji. Yeah. Any more questions? Anything that you want to ask? How to enter in AWS industry? Same way. Get the certification, and then put the resume, and have to be, and you should have your experience. That's all. Sir, what skills needed to with AWS to get a job for developer? Python, yeah. Get Python. If you are a developer, you will be definitely a Java or .NET. Something will be there, na. So something there, right? So you just, if you're Java developer plus AWS, you will get super good calls. I didn't attend any classes. Thanks. AWS God is real. So, oh my God, no, Ram. So I'm just you are learning from me, and I'm learning with real-time experience. I'm also a student like you. Please, uh, I have to yet learn so many things on AWS. What is Terraform? Terraform is infrastructure as a code. Whatever we are doing it manually till now, right? We are doing manually till now everything. So in DevOps, you need to automate everything, most of the thing, right? DevOps itself is meaning of automation. So Terraform is an infrastructure as a code uh, where you can code everything. You can code, and then you can run the code, and everything EC2 instance will be launched automatically. Entire architecture will be launched automatically. That is Terraform. We need to read white paper for AWS. Sminda, if you read white papers of AWS, you will become right? That when you'll be go mad. But it's good to read when you have time. But it's a lot. It's a lot. But it's good. It's a good habit to learn. If you read, if you have time. How many years you will learn? How many years you will learn AWS? Or how many years I have learned? I have been on this more than 10 years on AWS itself. And fortunately or fortunately, basically, I've already told in this introduction that I started from scratch. On AWS also, I had a very good opportunity to set up this entire AWS from scratch for this company. And I had a chance also to move all the clients to the cloud. So that's the reason why I have this full hands-on experience. And that too, I don't look into the PPTs also, na? Right? Whatever, everything is in brains. Everything is brain. I just keep on telling whatever I have, get it in. Yeah. Is it good to have DevOps and AWS? Yes. The next aim for you is, guys, DevOps for you. As a fresher in AWS, what I mentioned in CV, Cloud Python, no. Solution Architect Associate, put that you are AWS Solution Architect certified after doing the certification. That is our plus point. Yeah. Sir, my experience is in Cisco Voice and MS Teams Skype for business experience, for business, and now AWS. What should my search criteria to look for a new job? Maybe technical architect. Yes, you remove this. You remove this MS Teams and you put Cisco Voice, right? So, anyways, it is on IT. Now, how many years of experience do you have, Ravindra? How many years of experience do you have? So if you are experienced guy, just put 10 years, right? So yeah, let it be your Cisco Voice and MS Teams and put a relevant experience of AWS for a few years, let's 3-4 years, and DevOps is must for you, Ravindra, and jump into as a AWS architect, AWS technical, yeah, architect. How many rounds will be there to get the in the company to get the job? It's depend upon the company. It's depend upon the company. In my company, one round eliminated because you are my students. Pray God that I get a good project so that I can hire. So so sir, can we able to do AWS project in Team answer, or do you need companies? So Harsha, if you know Python or if you know DevOps, send me a resume. I'm ready to hire you as a freelancer, if anyone. Only AWS question. Yeah, nice. Any more questions? Cool. Okay. I'm okay. What kind of prawns will be there? Will prepare, sir. Yeah. ఒక్కసారి స్క్రీన్ పైన కనిపించింది ఆశ. అరే హరి శివ శివాజీ. Yeah. You cannot see Big Boss. Okay. Okay. No, thank you, Amita. Thank you, Ji. Thank you, sir. What should we learn to get AWS developer certified? Mm, you will get to know. Pavan, you just go to WizLabs. In WizLabs, go to this AWS developer. Inside this developer, you have online course. If you click on know more, right? Do you see this? Hey, see, most of the things are already covered. Let's see here, guys. In developer, IAM, ST, EC2, EBS, VPC, databases, caching services, Route 53, CLI, serverless meaning Lambda, CI/CD, developer tools. I have already discussed security, but the only thing is Docker we haven't discussed. Key services. What are the key services? ELB monitoring, EBS monitoring, CloudFront, all the things that we have already seen, but only few things. So most of the things we have already learned. Yeah, come on. You can just go through it, prepare the certification question, and go and attend it. Yeah, guys, I'm not ready yet, but I'm not ready yet. But I have a requirement for those who know AWS, DevOps, and Python. If you have these three combinations, please mail me your resume. Your friends also, whoever it is. And if you're ready to work as a freelance also, just mail me. And also, to be honest, I have hired 3 of the students already. Oh my God, it is recording here. Yeah. Yeah. After completion, of course, we'll miss you a lot, sir. Yeah. I think I would love to see these kind of words in the last class, not now. Hey, I'm really sorry if I take I took your time for normal discussions instead of having a class. I hope you understand. What is the best source to learn Docker and Kubernetes for free? This only. You have the lab. You have that also here in DevOps. You have Ansible. You have Vagrant, Docker, everything. You just go with that. You will get to know. And Sir, I am working from networking background. Then for me, this course will best write AWS certificate. Oh God, yes, why not? You are on the networking background. Na? First do this AWS solution architect, Ravindra. After that, finish these three because all three are in the same line only. Solution architect, and then CSOP and developer. Finish all three. Guys, you can easily finish all three. I'm telling you. You can definitely for sure solution architect will be finished. And CSOPs and developer, please go through some additional concept on this course. You will get to know that, and you can easily done. After that, then you can go for networking concepts, Ravindra. No one will ask you separately networking. But if you want to portray yourself as a network specialist, then you have to have the certification. Otherwise, most common certification is always solution architect. This is ultimate discussion. Thank you. Yeah. When will you go for a professional? After 10 years of experience. Concepts are same for professional, but the only thing is big questions will be there. Logic will be different, and mostly it will be like logical. In solution architect, maximum paragraph you'll get 3-4 lines, but there you'll get so many. I didn't had a time to write that also to tell you what exactly that means. I'm not. I didn't had time because definitely I also have to prepare. Yeah, there will be a coding where, if you Harsha, where coding where. For solution architect, no. Professional meaning you are top in AWS. Definitely scripting, everything should be required. Scripting will be required. Professional means that means a high level of AWS guy, expert. That is not necessary, right? No, a professional is not necessary. Great. So I don't want to take much time, sir. In Infosys, how people hire for AWS? Yeah, there, there are so many openings in Infosys on AWS. You know, I was an Infosys ex-employee, Infosys ex-employee. You will have a first round, and yeah, definitely technical. GD will not be there mostly. You will have a technical round first. After that, managerial, there will be a client round or managerial round. After that, HR round, 3-4 maximum. Will you cover AWS Kubernetes? No. Kubernetes, basically, there is no, sorry. Harsha, we have something called AWS EKS. EKS is Elastic Kubernetes Service, where for that, you need to learn first Docker and Kubernetes first. Normal Docker, normal Kubernetes. And the advanced level of that is AWS EKS. Everything is serverless. You don't need to set up servers. You just go and set up the Kubernetes cluster and then start maintaining nodes there. Yeah. Okay. So guys, thanks for your class and tips, sir. I'll be in there for you. Thanks, Pawan. Thank you very much. Guys, I would love to see all your feedbacks there. Let's meet on Monday with the VPC concept. Don't miss the class on Monday because it's very important. It's very important. Sir, I'm tester with 2 years experience. How do I change my domain? Well, if you're a tester, just remove that tester 2 years experience of. Don't remove tester plus AWS solution architect. Hold on, just go with that. You will get nice things. Or if you don't want to be a tester at all, so just put that your main profile is on AWS architect, and then you have also done as a tester. You can put because you are 2 years only, na. 2 years tester plus AWS is too good. What else should I learn? DevOps. If you don't want if you don't want to be in testing environment, and if you want to completely move out the domain, then DevOps. Guys, for everyone, DevOps next bus. Cool. So one last thing. So would you give guys, please, would you provide your feedbacks today? Will you write? Will you post it? Please post it on my Facebook page. Will you? Thank you very much for that. Great, guys. Can you give me the final CC for today? Excellent. That is all, guys, for today. And I'll see you on Monday. There is no class tomorrow. It's Monday with the last topic called VPC. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend too. Good night.